How do you see this Nasdaq rebalance? Do you see this possibly having an impact on the year-to-date rally in the tech sector overall?
It would not be per se, but I do think that once you have rebalanced that, the flows that come into passive index funds that must buy those tech stocks, that will probably impact the performance of these stocks, at least for the interim. Obviously, if there's any earnings coming out, it will affect those stocks. So I think that's the big focus next week. But I think if you think about the rebalance, it is a very technical feature. You know, I think the index funds, that's where you see most of the impact coming through.
All right. So a lot of people were talking about the broadening of the market. We mentioned some of the stocks there we listed last, Mondelez, Starbucks, Booking Holdings, they're going to see a bigger concentration, a bigger weighting in the Nasdaq 100. Does this move, is this pro-widening of the market? Do you think investors will continue to put their money in an index fund like the Nasdaq 100, the triple Qs, with less of a focus on AI?
It probably will, because ultimately it's about the bigger trend. You know, if as much as these stocks get a re-rating, it is still a big weighting, though. So I think that that's just an ongoing theme. But if you think about the broadening of the market, we're thinking more about other factors are playing a role right now. If you can see it in energy and commodities as one example, I think it's more their fundamentals driving broadening of market action.
You're also looking at the moves in the dollar. Dollar actually down about 2% month to date. How does that kind of instruct your investing philosophy right now?
So dollar weakness is interesting against the backdrop of a strong U.S. economy. It's really driven by emerging market currencies and the euro and sterling that are stronger because of monetary policy. But a weaker dollar environment is good for commodities, good for risk assets. So it does very supported. And I think that's what we've seen in the last 2 weeks.
All right, earnings season. Got to ask you about financials. Big week for bank earnings, both big banks and regional banks. You're actually looking at the technicals more than you are the actual reports. So the KRE is trading above its 50-day moving average, but below its 200-day. What does that tell you?
Yeah, it's finding some support at that 50-day moving average. It's sort of broken out, and the earnings showed some reasonable results for a lot of these regionals, and they're recovering their deposits quite quickly again. So that whole scare, that crisis we had in March, you know, the KRE is actually on track to maybe recover some of that, and that's that 200-day moving average. Probably be the resistance, but there's some distance away from it, like about 15% from where we are currently.
So when you're talking to clients, are you a buyer of financials right now, at least until they hit that 200-day average?
Yeah, we are involved in financials. We stayed more on the big financials. But you could think about these regionals, you know, at least the ones that have reported some pretty solid earnings. If we're in that momentum, that's an opportunity.